Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to create your own custom wrappers for the chocolate candy bars. These wrappers will fit a 1.55 ounce and the 1.75 ounce chocolate candy bars. So if you're interested in learning how to create these wrappers yourself, make sure you watch the entire video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And if you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. To get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can also try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you click our referral link in the description box down below. Next, head on up to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11, and select create a new design. You can also select the shortcut option, which is the worksheet. Once your blank page pulls up, we can create our template. That way, when you need to create new labels, you always have a template to go by. To do this, just head on over to Elements, scroll down to Lines and Shapes.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Now that we have created our template, I would make a copy of my blank template. That way, when I need to create new labels, I always have a blank template available. Now we can get to the fun part and start designing. You can head on over to your Uploads tab and start uploading all of the clip arts and images you want to use in your design. I'm going to be creating some graduation candy bar wrappers for my kids, and I'm going to be using some of Muska's graduation digital papers, also some of her graduation clip arts. You can find this paper and the clip arts I'm going to be using over on their website. If you use our discount code, Hanging with the Kiddos, you can get 50% off your entire order, and you can also click our referral link in the description box down. Now that I have uploaded all of my digital paper and my clip arts, and I saved them in a folder to help me keep them organized, you can do this when you have Canva Pro. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you can find everything you just uploaded under the Uploads tab. Now I'm about to go through everything and kind of figure out what I want to use in my design, and I'm just going to add it to my page here. You don't have to do this, but for me, if I go through all of my images and kind of figure out what I want to use before I actually start designing, it does help me work a little bit faster.
Hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
As I mentioned earlier, the wrappers can fit both the smaller 1.55 ounces and the larger 1.75 ounce candy bars. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. You can find the links to all the materials that I use to assemble and the clip arts that I use in the description box down below. If you're interested in the pre-made chocolate candy bar wrapper template that I created for Canva, you can find it over on our website, and I'll be sure to leave that template link down below for you also. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.